You ever bite a woman yet and them ball? Kiss me neck. Where you get them teeth there? Lord, it's sour.
Yeah.
It's sour.
So
Where you get them teeth there? Kiss me neck. Them white and curly.
what? My teeth white and curly?
Yes. What strong teeth? You not gonna lose them teeth there. You ever bite a woman yet and them ball? Yes, because them the teeth we have you have in your mouth. Then stronger than normal man teeth. Lord of God, this sour. Ah. Me keep it so keep.